Imagine a world where your entire makeup arsenal is perfectly organized and just a zipper away from your fingertips. Today, we dive into the essentials of choosing the perfect makeup pouch without breaking the bank. Yes, all under 500 rupees. When selecting your next makeup pouch, size does matter. Think about your daily makeup routine. Are you the type to carry just a lipstick and mascara, or do you need space for an entire palette of options? The right size means you'll never be caught without your beauty essentials. Now, onto compartments. These little organizers are lifesavers. They prevent your lip gloss from turning into a wrestling match with your eyeliner. Compartments not only keep your items neatly separated, but also protect them from damage. It's like having a mini wardrobe for your makeup. Material is crucial too. Opt for something durable and easy to clean, like a good quality synthetic that laughs in the face of spills. After all, a makeup mishap shouldn't mean a ruined pouch. Don't forget durability. Your makeup pouch will travel everywhere with you, from the depths of your daily bag to the chaos of airport security. It needs to be tough enough to handle life's bumps and drops. And of course, let's talk style. Your makeup pouch should be a reflection of you. Whether it's bold prints, classic elegance, or quirky designs, choose a pouch that makes you smile every time you zip it open. Moving on to some exciting finds, all under 500 rupees. Consider roll-up pouches for those who are always on the move. They're space-efficient and often feature a clear segment to quickly spot what you need. Boxy pouches, on the other hand, are your go-to if you carry a bit more. They usually offer a broader opening and more room, ensuring nothing gets squished at the bottom. For the makeup brush aficionados, a dedicated brush pouch might just change your life. These usually come with individual slots for each brush, keeping them neat and straight. Here's a bonus tip: don't box your makeup pouch into just holding beauty products. They're also fantastic for organizing jewelry, skincare items, or even tech gadgets. So there you have it, your guide to picking a fabulous makeup pouch without splurging more than 500 rupees. Which type of pouch caught your eye? Dive into the comments and share your thoughts. And remember, your engagement helps this channel grow, so smash that like button, hit subscribe, and keep coming back for more savvy beauty insights.